Watch this video and learn how to draw R2D2 from Star Wars. Later in the show, Barry has a dance break. And watch to the end to see Artie in a cartoon. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? Come on, gang, it's Artie's show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, little artists.
That was a very nice welcome, Artie.
Yeah.
You're in a good mood.
Oh, Artie's in a very good mood. Thank you for asking.
Should we make some art today?
Yeah.
Should we do a drawing?
Okay. Woo! Yeah.
What a fantastic day it is! I'm so happy you are all here.
We're excited to see you.
What should we draw, Artie?
Oh, I don't really know what I want to draw.
Should I help you come up with an idea?
Yes, please.
You like R2D2?
Yeah.
Let's draw him.
Oh, yeah. Good idea. Okay.
Get ready to draw with my favorite artist, Artie.
We're going to start with R2D2's famous domed head. Draw the top half of a circle right in the middle of the page, but towards the top of the page. Draw it in sections. It'll be much easier that way. Great start, Artie. R2D2 looks a bit like our trash can in the kitchen.
Yeah.
We'll have to start calling our trash can R2D3.
Yeah.
Now that we have our domed head, let's draw a rectangle shape right in the middle of it. If Artie's drawing a little too quick, little artists, don't worry, here's a message from our friend Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Thanks, Louie. Okay, Artie, now let's draw 3 horizontal lines. One at the very top, one in the middle of the rectangle, and another one near the bottom of the rectangle. Let's add a vertical line between the bottom 2 and a circle in that square that we just formed. Another circle to the right, and 2 more horizontal lines on the left.
Hello, Artie.
Oh, hello, Bunny.
Hi. Artie,
Yeah.
did I ever tell you that I love your art?
Oh, no.
It's so inspiring and creative. I just love it.
Well, thank you.
Okay, well, have a happy day.
Bye.
Bye.
Let's add another vertical line and another horizontal line on the right. This drawing's going to have lots of horizontal and vertical lines. Let's draw the sides to R2D2's body. First of all the right side, and now the left side. Let's add a square to the bottom of the right line. Now draw a vertical line coming from the top all the way down to that square. And connect it to the head at the top.
Oh, let's have a dance break.
You want a dance break?
Yeah,
Why are we whispering?
please.
Okay.
Dance break! Yay! Woohoo!
Look at him go, Betty. Look at him go.
He sure has the moves.
Judgy, but I am a judge, so it's a 10.
Did you dance along at home, little artists?
Oh, that was a really fun dance break. Yeah.
Barry did really well, didn't he?
Yeah.
But should we carry on doing the
Yeah.
drawing?
Okay.
Come on. Let's add a little rectangle to the side of R2D2's right arm. Now, let's do everything again, but on the left side. Try and make the left side match the right side as much as you can. Keep watching because coming up, it's Artie in a cartoon. Good job matching the left side with the right side, Artie. Now let's do R2D2's feet. An angled line on either side, 2 shorter angled lines, and then 2 horizontal lines. Do you know what type of drawing this is called, Artie?
No.
It's called a geometric drawing because there's lots of precise shapes. Lots of vertical lines, horizontal lines, angled lines. Geometric drawings are very fun. Oh, that's right, Artie. Let's draw the bottom of R2D2's body. A straight line across, 2 more angles, and another straight line across. Looking really good.
Hi, Artie. Whoa, look at that drawing. It smells like a hit. Whoa. Bye.
Thanks, Barry. Thanks for making the neighbourhood dogs bark again. Oh, boy. Let's add lots of angled lines to the underside of R2D2's body. Same on the left side. All this detail is going to really help the drawing come alive. Time for R2D2's third leg. I wish we had 3 legs, Artie. We'd run to school much faster. Now let's add all the detail inside R2D2's body. We'll start with a nice big vertical line on the left and another one on the right.
Oh, could we please have a cartoon break?
You want a cartoon break?
Yeah.
Well, I suppose we can.
Yes, please.
Okay, go on then.
Okay.
Artie, let's go and find some cylinder shapes.
Artie loves shapes. Cylinder trash can. This can of drink is a cylinder. A drink in a cylinder. My drum is a cylinder. Artie loves cylinders. Oh, that was a really good cartoon break.
You learned about cylinders.
Yeah.
Should we carry on drawing?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay.
We need to add the detail to R2D2's cylinder-shaped body. Did you know, Artie, that R2D2 has a cylinder-shaped body and a dome-shaped head?
Oh.
I love all this detail you're adding, Artie. How about a couple of small circles? Oh yeah, perfect placement.
What incredible art!
Great job, buddy.
Let's add even more small circles on the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's perfect, just enough. Let's draw another horizontal line across the top. And then a little short line on the end. And another horizontal line. Oh, let's do one more of those, Artie. That looks really good. Well, I think it might be finished now, Artie. What do you think?
It's finished.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I'm really happy.
Oh, good. Well, let's colour it now.
Yeah. Let's color it in. Yeah.
Color it in. Color it in.
Wow, Artie,
Yeah.
it came out really good. I love the
All
colours.
done. Coloured in.
I love that colour
Yeah.
of blue that you used.
Oh, yeah.
It looks just like the real
Yeah.
R2D2. Great work.
Hey, bye, kids. See you later.
Bye, kids. See you later.
We'll see you next time on Artie's show. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching, little artists. We'll see you again soon. Have an arty day.